How's it going? Welcome, everyone. My name is Ryan Hamblin. I'm here with Dan Maben.
Hi, everyone. And we had the chapter on Game of Thrones ratings, and we have a special guest today who's not sleeping. But this chapter, very interesting. Google Trends. No one knows what it is, but it's important because this is data and this is what is happening now. And what they used in the chapter is they used Google Trends to try to get some analytics on Game of Thrones. What do people like more? Which seasons? Yada yada yada. Google Trends is huge, very important. There's so many different applications. Ryan will get into one of those examples, but you can use Google Trends to predict economic forecasts or stock prices, bull bear indexes. You could name it. Google Trends data is very important because people can predict and do analytics before data is announced. You know, the government data is always subjective, always taking too long. So it's really important. One other big takeaway from the chapter is they gave a linear regression based on a couple variables. They added in Google Trends data, truck and SUV query indexes and automotive query indexes, and the correlation, the R squared increased and the standard error decreased. So what I'm just saying is they had a regression. It had a somehow standard correlation, but they kept tweaking it. They added more data, more variables, and the correlation improved. So it's just very important to look at these Google Trends, and thanks.
All right, so using Google Trends, I wanted to take a look at the election. Since Google Trends has existed, it's correctly predicted the winner of each U.S. presidential election. The way that we do this, if you look up Google Trends, the input is simple, just the candidate's last name and the election year. So this year you could have Biden 2020 or Trump 2020. And, looking at a candidate or year by election basis, it has predicted it correctly since 2004, dating back to Bush and John Kerry. So if we look at this year, actually, currently Donald Trump has an 84 to 43 advantage over Joe Biden. So according to this statistic, we should have another Trump victory potentially, and we'll see if it holds true in a few days. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.